Have you ever wondered how a collection of colonies transformed into one of the most powerful nations on Earth? The story of the United States of America is a sprawling epic of rebellion, innovation, and the ongoing pursuit of a more perfect union. Let's take a whirlwind tour through its incredible history. Our story begins long before the first European ships arrived. For thousands of years, diverse and vibrant Native American civilizations flourished across the continent, each with its own rich culture, language, and traditions. From the cliff dwellings of the ancestral Puebloans to the great confederacies of the Iroquois, these were the original inhabitants of this land. Everything changed in 1492 with Christopher Columbus's arrival, sparking an era of exploration and decolonization. Powers like Spain, France, and especially Great Britain established footholds in the New World. By the 1700s, 13 British colonies had been established along the Atlantic coast, each developing its own unique character. But simmering tensions were about to boil over. Feeling oppressed by British rule and taxes without representation, colonists began to protest. The famous Boston Tea Party was a dramatic act of defiance. These feelings culminated in the American Revolutionary War. On July 4, 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, a radical document declaring that all men are created equal and have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Against all odds, with leadership from figures like George Washington, the colonists won their freedom. The next challenge was building a nation. After some trial and error, the U.S. Constitution was drafted in 1787, establishing a revolutionary system of government with checks and balances. This document, along with the Bill of Rights, has been the bedrock of American law and identity ever since. The 19th century was a period of dramatic expansion. The idea of manifest destiny fueled a westward push across the continent, through purchases like the Louisiana Purchase and conflicts like the Mexican-American War. This expansion, however, came at a great cost to Native American populations who were forcibly displaced from their ancestral lands. At the same time, a deep and bitter fight was growing within the country over the institution of slavery. The industrialized North and the agrarian South clashed, leading to the devastating Civil War from 1861 to 1865. The Union's victory, led by President Abraham Lincoln, preserved the nation and led to the abolition of slavery. But the struggle for true equality for African Americans was far from over. The late 19th and the early 20th century saw America transform into an industrial powerhouse. Immigrants from around the world flocked to its shores, fueling the growth of cities and industries. It was an age of invention, with innovators like Thomas Edison and Henry Ford changing the world. The 20th century tested the nation's new global role. America emerged as a world power after its involvement in World War I and World War II. The post-war era brought the Cold War, a tense ideological standoff with the Soviet Union that spurred the space race and saw the U.S. land a man on the moon. Back home, the fight for justice continued. The civil rights movement of the 1950s and the 60s, led by inspirational figures like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., challenged segregation and discrimination, leading to landmark legislation that moved the nation closer to its founding ideals. From the digital revolution to the challenges of the 21st century, the United States continues to evolve. Its history is a complex tapestry of triumphs and struggles, of great ideals and difficult realities. It's a story that is still being written every single day. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through American history. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the past. See you next time.